Okay, let's unbox this new air fryer from Shopit. If you love French fries or if you love fried pork chop but you want to be healthy, you should consider buying a air fryer which will not use cooking oil so that it becomes healthy your food that you eat. So you can fry without the oil. Oh, look at that. So we got this air fryer from Shopee, and this air fryer will only use electricity and heat coils for it to fry the food that you like. Okay, so we will unbox this and you will see what is coming in the package. In the package we have our air fryer, the fan and the plug and the mesh and screen, so you put your food inside. So I will try to remove the plastic and then you will see inside how we can remove the trays. Okay, now I'm trying to remove the plastic, but the Chinese guy who packed this is so very tight, this thing, so very hard to remove. Oh, there, I fixed it already. It's open and I will show you the air fryer. This air fryer is called Cozy. Oh, it's comfortable and cozy. There is color black and then rose gold is the color we chose. Okay, later we will air fry some fish balls so you will see how it works, but for now I will show you what it looks like, so when you buy you know what is included. I tried to pull but the tape is there. Now if I remove the tape, you will see that the fan is enough to fill a whole chicken. Okay, a whole chicken but not a turkey. So enough for a good chicken size for you to air fry your chicken. Now if you look inside, you have to put the grill. The grill inside there, it's made of metal and you have to put the grill. If I look, oh, inside there's the coil. Look at that, there's the coil and then there's the timer and the volume of the temperature. You will see, and it can tell you what to cook at what temperature if you're baking, cooking there and roasting. Now if I look underneath, if it's 220 volts, is it 220? There, it's 220 volts guys, and it's 1000 watt. Oh, very expensive in electricity, but it's okay if you're healthy. Okay, if you're healthy that way. There, the Cozy brand. Now let's look what else come with the package. In the package you have your, what is this? Oh, the instructions manual. Okay, it will tell you how to use and how to not use your air fryer. Okay, it has the warnings and all the cautions that you need to check if it works or not. Okay, before that, let's look at the cookbook. Oh no, guys, if you're Chinese, you can read, but I'm not Chinese. I cannot read that. There's French fries, there's chicken nuggets, maybe there's, ooh, what's that big chicken? It doesn't look like chicken, but there's another things that, oh, that's tonkatsu, guys. That's so yummy. That is, what is that? I don't know what that is. So yummy food you can cook with air fryer. That's fish, and then this is another fish. Oh, pork and then fish and then chicken. What is this? Oh, something else. Uy, that looks like lechon, guys. Wow, what is that dessert? It looks like it's shrimp, guys. Look at that. Wow, look at this recipe. You can use Google Translate to check what the recipe is in English if you can want to cook these recipes. So they have recipes that you can use in the air fryer. Okay, and then you can also read what else can be done in the instructions manual. Okay, inside the air fryer you have the grill, the fatungan of the foods. Let's try cooking this time. Okay, to preheat, you always have to preheat your air fryer, guys. You put into 5 minutes so that when you put the food inside, it's already hot. Okay, I put it at 80 degrees Celsius for now to test and cook. And today we will cook fish balls. Fish balls will this work in the air fryer? This is our first meals that we will cook with the air fryer. Let's see if it will work. Okay, we put all the fish balls inside, and then we will put the timer to 10 minutes, and then we will put the temperature to 200 Celsius. There. When I look after 20 minutes, it doesn't look like it's cooked yet. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back inside. Let's try again. Okay, we'll put a little more times. Okay, after 20 minutes, there. Look at that. It's cooked. Now, I noticed the air fryer makes shake when you put on the table because when I receive is missing one rubber hole there, and because of that it's shaking, but overall it's very good. Okay, I hope you enjoy. I'll see you again next time. Bye.